Hello, Namaskaram, and Swagatam to my channel, Fluent in Malayalam. I hope everyone is doing great. And today in this video, we are going to see 20 useful Malayalam words. And these are the ones I have taken from my Instagram series, A Word a Day. So if you are already there, you might have seen these words, but I thought most of you are here in YouTube, so I should present it here also. So that is why I'm bringing it in here. And this time it is just Malayalam and English. I have not included Hindi because some of you told that it is confusing when Hindi is also included along with this. So for Hindi, maybe I will do it separately. Okay, so let's see the 20 useful Malayalam words. So the first word is Malayalam. Malayalam, the language that we are learning here in this channel. And it should be pronounced in the same way it is written. So if you read it like Malayalam, it is not right. It is Malayalam. Malayalam. I know it is a little bit difficult to pronounce la, but that is the correct pronunciation. Malayalam. Okay. Keralam. Keralam is the place where Malayalam is spoken. But usually when it comes to English, Kerala, it is written as Kerala instead of Keralam. But in Malayalam, the place name is Keralam. Keralam. Okay. Next word. So here onwards, I have included how you need to be pronounced, how a word needs to be pronounced. So first word is Maram. Maram. Maram, which means tree. Tree is maram. Okay. Next word, marangal. Marangal. Marangal means trees. Marangal, trees. Poovu. Poovu. Poovu means flower. Flower is poovu. Pookal. Pookal means flowers. Flowers is pookal. Param. Param. Param is fruit. Fruit. Parangal. Parangal. Parangal means fruits. Parangal. Chedi. Chedi. Chedi is plant. Plant is chedi. Chedigal. Chedigal. Chedigal is plants. Plants. Ila. Ila is leaf. Ila, leaf. Ilagal. Ilagal, leaves. Leaves. Pullu. Pullu. Pullu means grass. Grass. Pullu. Agasham. Agasham. Agasham means sky. Sky is Agasham. Bhumi. Bhumi. Bhumi means earth. Earth is Bhumi. Kaatu. Kaatu. Kaatu is wind. Wind is kaatu. Mannu. Mannu. Mannu is soil. Mannu. Kili. Kili is bird. Kili, bird. Kiligal. Kiligal is birds. Kiligal, birds. And the final word in this video, Pakshi. Pakshi means bird. Yes, it is another word for bird. Pakshi. Pakshi. But the common usage is Kili. Kili. Okay, so those were 20 useful Malayalam words. I hope you like this video. So if that is the case, please hit on that like button and do share this. And if you are here for the first time, please do subscribe and show your support to my channel. Nani for watching and Namaskaram.